Initially, use 3 popsicle to make a triangle. At first, take a popsicle, glue it in the edges on the front side. Glue it in both edges. Take another popsicle to glue it in the edge on the front side. Now glue in one side and place it on the edge of the first popsicle. Now use another popsicle. Let's number it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Place the popsicle over 1 and 4. Adjust the sides. Now have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let it dry. Take a set of 9 popsicle to arrange it in a row. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Use the pre-prepared triangle. Glue it in the back side of the triangle. Place it over 9 popsicle. Let it dry. Continue the process. Glue it on the back side. Slightly adjust the triangle and carry on the process. Glue it on the back. Slightly adjust the triangle and carry on the process.